Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G52 smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can install the Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. Here at the settings, scroll down until you stumble upon the apps category. At the apps category menu, look for the default apps section. At the default apps, choose browser app, and basically here all that is left to do is to select Opera, and once it is successfully selected, it will ultimately mean that we have successfully set Opera as our default browser. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on this avatar, then you gotta click on the gear icon that stands for settings. At the settings page, scroll down and find the default browser section. Here, click on next. As we did from the settings app, just select Opera, and all that it's left to do is to tap on set as default, and that will effectively mean that we have successfully set Opera as our default browser as well. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.